here?
He used to be with Cleveland.
Rex. There's one of the Ryan brothers.
Hey, Emily, come here. Come here. The gobble gobble's out. Come here. Come see gobble gobble. Cameron.
Cameron goes. He wants out.
Gobble gobble.
Turkey's out. What do you think it
Fast
means?
in about 2 seconds.
turkey's
That was
out.
all three.
Come on. Come see the gobble gobble.
Matt, can you help me get the kids?
Come on, Matt.
I can't. I'm trying to video and.
Come on. Come. It's over here.
Mariella, do you have a chicken potato steak?
Yeah, I was about to. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some video of this.
Gobble gobble.
Can someone hold Ben up so we can see?
Come here, Barry. Gobble gobble.
That's the turkey.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Can you say gobble gobble?
What do you think, Ben?
Benjo, that's the turkey. We're gonna have turkey for dinner.
Oh, Cameron.
Gobble,
It was
gobble,
just walking
gobble.
around a couple days ago.
Ben does not seem happy about that turkey. Benjo,
Cameron, can you
Benjo.
say gobble gobble?
can you say gobble gobble? Cameron, can you say gobble gobble?
Benja's just like that poor bird.
That's a good job. Can you say gobble gobble?
Gobble gobble.
He wants nothing to do with this right now.
He
He's like, why are you
He's like,
wasting
why
my
did you
time?
do
I was
it?
watching football.
Yeah, Emery's definitely not.
Emery, do you want to say hi to Tom the turkey?